Nore mātana hau, he uri no mitimuti o te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhihi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi ke taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hiika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. Te tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai.
Tēnā koe tangaro.
Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, he whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai, me oku hoa ki te hi, e haerere moana, i runga i a Moontide Fishing. E whai ake nei, e hi ana mātou ko oku karangarua i ngā wai o te hiku o te ika.
Yeah! Woo! Whānau, what a treat.
Ā, ko ngā momo maha e hopu ana.
Check this out, whānau. Nice warahinga. He's a keeper.
Ko te tāmure te whai ngā matua.
Good panty, bro.
Engari, ko ngā tini karati e kite ana.
This is what we're after, just slightly bigger.
Ā, ka ua hoki te mahi i te taenga mai o ngā mango.
Oh, look at that. We're in shark territory, man.
Rākaumatohi rises one day after Rākaunui, the full moon. It's a period of high energy and a good day for fishing.
What a beautiful day. It's a wonderful life. What a beautiful day. It's a wonderful life.
Kei te hiku o tika hau, ā, ngā rā e toru ko pahure, ka hi mātou ko oku karangarua i te King Bank i Manoa Tāwhi.
To land this thing would be so amazing. Oh, no. You got to wind the 1-1.
Ka hopua hau i taku take ke nui, take ke tonga tuatahi.
Got him! Yep. Up. Yeah! Woo! Yes! Done! Woo!
Ka hopu i tētahi warahenga nui.
Yep. Yeah, boy! That's a goodie, that's a goodie. Oh, that's a goodie.
Ā, ka hi ake i tētahi moione no nui rawa.
Ready? Yep. Oh, go, brother!
I nā hoki te miharo. E hoki ana mātou ki te kāinga i aenei, engari, ko whai wāhi ki te hi tāmure.
E tāmarama, tēnā koutou katoa, hoki mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika, e ai ki te maramataka. I te rā nei, kei ngā wai o te hiku o te ika hau, e hi ana mātou ko oku karangarua, a Dazza cleave, rāwa ko Mori rāpana, kei runga i tēnei poti nui, a Eclipse, ko tō mātou nei kai urungi, ko Craig Burns, ko te kaupapa, ko te whainga matua, i te rā nei, ko te hiake i ngā tāmure. Mauri atu ki te kāinga hei kai mo te whānau. Kei roto i tēnei wahanga o te maramataka o Rākaumatohi, ka kōwhiti mai a Rākaumatohi ina pō, i ki te tonu au i te marama e tō ana ki te uru i te ata nei. Kei roto tonu i tērā wahanga o te maramataka mo te roanga o tēnei rā, tainoa ki te kōwhitinga mai anō o te marama o Takirau. Ko te tūmanako ia, he rāpai tēnei, mo te mahihi, no reira kia mau tonu mai.
I tēnei te rā mutunga o tō mātou haerenga, e whango haere ana taku reo. Engari, e kai kā tonu ana ki te hiake i ngā tāmure. E ai ki ngā matapai huarere, ka kaha ake te pupuhi a te hau a te ahi, ka kino hoki te moana.
Sure, that's us. We are fishing.
Nā reira, MĀORI pū mātou ki ngā mahi.
Tēnei te tauranga tuatahi, tuku a ngā mea whakapōpō tāmure. Send out some baits. Kazi Dazza's fishing a dead bait. Kazi Mori's fishing one of the, I think, the Injiku jigs. And I'm going to be throwing out a soft bait. Go, Kazis. Nose whānau. Te takanga tuatahi o te maunu kirihau nei. Tahi au ka hopu i te tahi ika. First drop, whānau. Dropping down a soft bait. And fish on. Oh, that's our first fish. I te ro mai ki tēnei te whānau. The old granddaddy hāpuka. The old kani pāpā. Whai no, tēnā he tohu kei kona i ngā ika. Engari he hiana ngā tāmure. He reka i nei ika ki te kai. Engari ko ia tēnei ko te ika tuatahi nā reira me whakahokia tēnei ika kia tangaroa. First one back, whānau. There's the way. Hopefully the next one's a tāmure.
Now that Nore's pulled up that granddaddy pāpuka, this could be anything really. I'd like to say a snapper, but pretty colour. There we go. Ooh, karati.
Karati.
Karati. Got a little karati here. First catch for the morning for me anyway. We're after the tāmure, but the difference between the karati and the tāmure is the karati is the juvenile snapper, and the tāmure are the sort of the adult type snapper, eh? We're after the tāmure whānau tēnei ata. So this one will go back and grow to be a little bit bigger, grow to a tāmure. Ka pai, beautiful, the jig, doing its job. There you go, my man.
He pai ana ngā tohu, ā kua hopu ika anō MΑORI.
Oh, what do you got, bro? Oh, big granddaddy. I'll net it anyway, eh, so you can get it in. There we go. Oh, bro, that's a good fish. Whānau, check this fish out. Nice big granddaddy hāpuka. Got big fillets on it. Definitely going to throw this one in the bin, take it home for kai.
Right out.
Hey, Cuzzy, nice. Smash the injaku. That's the pink. I think that's the 60 gram. Doing the damage. Too good. Mean Cuzzy.
Mean Cuzzy.
Well, I'm going to get back into it while you sort your fish out.
E ngau ana ngā ika, ā kua whakamaua tētahi e Dazza.
Oh, go, bro.
Feels like very sharky.
Nah, bro. Don't call it too stiff, bro.
Yeah, good snap, bro. Come on, bro. Big tummy there.
Oh, look at that, bro. Hard luck.
Very sharky.
Te hara tēnei te momo e hiahi ana, ā te āhua nei he maha tua nō pia ngā mango i konei. E whai ake nei, ka eke panuku,
The plan worked. Woohoo!
ka eke tangaroa.
Whoa, whoa, wait for it. Hold up. Hold up. Hey! Hold up. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, here we go, brother. Yay!
Rākaumatohi rises one day after Rākaunui, the full moon, a time of high energy and a good day for fishing.
Come have a good time, I fi drop it low. No need for rush now, come and take it slow.
Oh, yes, Cuzzy.
Kei te hiko tika mātou e hi ana, ā e haere pai ana ngā mahi.
Feels like a snapper. Nice.
That's better.
Yeah, that's better, right?
E aru tāmure ana mātou, hei kai mā te whānau.
Oh, you on Pico?
Oh, go, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Oosh. Another granddaddy, eh, bro?
Yeah, bro. Like you said, bro, beautiful eaters, eh?
You got them Mozza. That doesn't look like a granddaddy, bro. What do we got?
Oh,
true. Hang on, Cuzzy. Hang on, Cuzzy.
Oh,
Get in
yeah.
here, Cuzzy.
We'll have the John Dory.
Bring him into that bed, Cuzzy. Yeah! Woo!
Yeah, cut.
Oh,
Best
oh,
eating,
fish.
bro. Hands down.
Kua hopu i a Mori, tētahi ika, tino reka.
Oh, what a treat, whānau, what a treat. Hono ko te ingoa tika mo tēnei, ko te kūparu, John Dory, beautiful, beautiful eating fish. Another one fallen victim to the injaku, pink jig. Beautiful, brother.
Yeah, beautiful kai, beautiful eating
Oh,
fish too.
whānau,
This
we're
is going
catching-
in the bin.
We are catching kai for our whānau. Too good.
Ahatea te kūparu tino reka nei, ka hore anō kia hopu mātou i ngā tāmure.
There you go, bro. That's it.
See what's on there, eh? Oh, nah.
Fish, bro.
Nah. Doesn't have to get around.
Get up, bro. Get up.
Nah, nah. Nah, she's under.
Oh, there's a shark out there too. Go, Mori. Okay, Cuzzy. You got this, brother?
That's what this is, shark look. Huh?
Is it?
Yeah, bro, it's got that shark feel about it.
Next minute. Next minute, 30-pound shark. That looks like a snapper.
Nah.
Come on, bro, let's at least see it, bro.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's sharks, bro. You can definitely tell this is a shark.
I te tainga mai o ngā mango, tēnā pia me tini te whainga I te rānei.
E te whānau nau mai hoki mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mai hiko I ai ki te maramataka. Today we're catching sharks. We don't really want tāmure, we want sharks.
Bro, we're in shark territory, man. Might need to make a move from this spot, bro.
Hāunga ko ngā kōrero whakakata e hara te mango I te momo e hehi ana mātou.
Shop right.
Nā reira, me rapu pia I te tauranga hou.
So whānau, while we're moving between tāmure spots, we've been trolling out the edge bibblers. We've got one out at the moment, set up another one for the Mori. I think the one I've got out's blue, this one's green. So every time we move, we'll run a couple of these, see if we get some hookups on the water hanger.
Te āhua nei, ko tika ta mātou whakatau ki te nuku ki tauranga kē.
Oh, you are?
I think that might be a kahawai actually. Could be a kahawai. Oh, whānau, hard case. We were just slowing down to pull up at our spot. I think I've actually been hit by a kahawai, but we're out here getting kai, so kahawai's kai. Kahawai can also be used as nice fresh bait. And if it is a kahawai, we'll probably keep it. Oh, what do we got there? What do we got here? What do we got here? Looks like a kahawai. Oh, it's a little rat kingy.
Oh,
It's a little water hanger whānau. Check this out. Woohoo! The plan worked. He's coming easy. We can keep him. Check this out, whānau. Nice, nice water hanger. That'll be legal. That'll be 75. That'll be quite a take home. Far out. The plan worked. The plan worked.
Aha koa ko te tāmure te whainga matua, ko te mea nui, ko te tiki kai mā te whānau. Ā, he timatanga pai tēnei I tēnei tauranga hou.
Yeah, got a fish on whānau. Just like that. Well, it's the right colour, just the wrong size. This one will have to go back to tangaro. It's undersized. This one can go back. Down you go. Oh yeah, swam away, we're good. Whānau, we're good.
E tika ana me whai wāhi atu I o kōwhiringa, nā reira ki te hopu tāmure I konei, tēnā pia me whakarere kē te rautaki.
We're in shallow water, around between 10 to 15 metres. Our technique here for the bro Mori and I, we're just going to go soft baits, light jig heads. The bro Dazza's still going to send that big bait in the hope of nice tāmure.
Ko te wawata, mā tēnei rautaki hou, ka pai ake te hopu tāmure.
colour. Oh, yeah, he karasi.
Oh, ka pai, bro. It's the right species.
Alright. Fella can go back. We can get bigger than that.
Well, whānau, we've hooked up. I've got a little small tāmure here. Well, you'd pretty much call that a karati. However, it's the species we want, and it's a good sign that this is what we're after, just slightly bigger. Now that's legal, but it's still small, so we'll let it go, live another day, drop them down again, and hopefully there's something a little bit bigger lurking around. Whakaokia. There's whānau, another fish on here. Wondering if it could be a kahawai. Soft baits are working here, whānau. I think he might be a tāmure, whānau. He might be a nice tāmure. Okay, here he comes.
Nice. Oh, he's a keeper. It's a good panty, bro.
Yeah, nice. Look at that.
Oh, that's great. That is great.
That's a beauty eater, whānau. Here on the shallow reef. That one's going to go in the bin. Take home, kaifwau whānau. Just starting to heat up, so put this in the bin, back into it. The plan's starting to work.
Oh yeah.
Hara mai, kua hopu ahau I te tāmure pai, ā ko ngā tini ika e kite ana I te wai, ko te manako nui ia ka tāia tonu ngā tāmure te hopu I tēnei tauranga.
Yon, bro, yon, Mori. What do you reckon, bro? What's the feeling like?
Oh, it could be a rat, bro, because they followed my softie up when I brought it up, eh? So
Next minute, big tāmure, bro.
I would not
You
complain.
just never know, bro.
I would not complain. I'm just going for the worst case scenario, bro,
Nice, bro.
and hoping for
Get
the
him in,
best.
Kath. Get him in. Bro, you sure he's a kingy?
Hold up, hold up,
Whoa, wait for it.
hold up,
Hold up.
hold up,
Hey!
hold up. Oh,
Here we go, brother.
hey. That's all right,
Mean.
A little panic. Nice.
Nice, brother. That's a fish.
That's a good fish. Yeah, nice.
Oh, check this out, whānau. That's a beautiful, beautiful tāmure, good for eating. And the pro Mori thought, because we seen the school of little rat kingies, little warahinga, it went down straight away, hooked up, thought that's what we were on. Not even now.
Not even now.
E te whānau, kua pahure ake I te tai whanake, we're past half tide coming in. Fish are starting to come on the bite, we're in the shallows, everything's starting to work. Soft baits are working. Too good, bro, that's a mean one.
Beautiful.
My turn.
Icky.
Oh, here we go. On again, brother.
On again, bro. Target species.
Target species, brother. That's what we're here for.
Yep.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Nice little eater.
E pau haere ana te wā, engari e kite ana te ngau a ngā tāmure I aenei.
Little tāmure coming up through the masses of Mao. Other one. This one will go back.
Ngā nonohi.
Me he mea ka tāe etahi atu tāmure pai te hopu, ka tutuki marika te whāinga. E whai ake nei, ka wai maria hau,
Nice fish.
Oh, yeah,
Nice
boy.
fish.
engari he maha tonu ngā I ka nonohi te whakahokia.
Haere ora, me ngā manaakitanga. This fella can go back home. Beautiful, healthy fish.
Rākaumatohi rises one day after Rākaunui, the full moon. It's a time of high energy and a good day for fishing. Kei te hiku o te ika mātou kōku karangaru e hi ana, ā e haere pai ana ngā mahi, ahatia ko ngā tini ika nonohi kua whakahokia.
Another one. This one will go back.
Ko te hiahia I ānei kia hopu I etahi atu tāmure pai ki te whakaki te kete, hei kai mā te whānau.
That's a fish, brother. That's what we've been waiting for.
Some off.
Oh, you got him, bro. You got him, bro. You got him, bro.
Keep him off that reef.
Oh, whānau, the bro Mori's on a good fish here. Oh. Let's go, brother. Let's go.
Nice and easy, nice and easy.
Yeah, bro.
I'm going to get him before we get to that reef there, look.
Oh, he's a good fish, bro.
Come on.
He's a good fish. Let's get some colour, bro. Let's see what this is. Come on, brother. You got this, man. Oh, whānau. Oh.
Trying to get to...
Bro, if he's a tāmure, bro, that's a donkey.
Oh, kingy. It's a kingy.
Kingy.
It's a kingy, can see the yellowtail. Yee-hee-hee. Bit of fun. Damn, here he comes. Yeah, kingy.
Yeah. He might be a legal beagle yet.
Oh yeah, here he comes. Yeah, here he is. Over here.
Yeah, nice, bro.
Oh, here we go. Nice, bro.
Yeah, nice one, brother. Nice one, brother. Yee-hee-hee. Nice. Oh, mean whānau.
Not the target species. Not legal. Damn.
Not legal beagle.
This fella can go back home.
Nice and healthy.
Beautiful, healthy fish. Eh? Here we go.
Nice, brother.
Nice.
Ai te whānau, ko mea mai te kaiurungi a Craig, me nuku mai I konei haere ki tērā atu taha. We're going to slowly make our way towards home. We're starting to get fish, gone a little bit slow here. Hopefully we might hook something, a few more tāmure on the way, take back to the whānau.
I te taenga atu ki te tauranga hou, ka eke anō MΑORI.
Got him, boras!
colour, I think.
Here we go, bro. Here we go. What we got?
What do we got here?
Oh, I just had a little tap too. There's a tāmure, bro.
Yeah, tāmure.
Oh, yeah, I'm on too.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I'm
nice
on
little
too, brother.
on the spot.
Yee! Tēnei wā te maramataka o Rākaumatohi. We're still in these high energy phases. Rākaumatohi, we're starting to see the moon steadily begin to lose illumination. You wouldn't have been able to tell the difference between Rākaumatohi last night, Rākaunui the night before, and Otaru the night before that. The only way you can tell is when it rises. So Rākaunui rises with the sunset. Otaru rises before the sun sets. And Rākaumatohi, which rose last night, rose after the sunset in the dark. And we got colour. Oh, what have I got here? We got another granddaddy. Oh well, that one's a little bit small, so that'll go home. But
Sky.
the bro's got his tāmure. I've got this, which will go back. Too good, whānau. We're catching fish.
We are catching fish.
Me whakahokia tēnei kia tangaro.
Haere ora, me ngā manaakitanga. He's pulling some string.
Oh, come on. Oi te whānau. Ko mai au te tahika. Hopefully it doesn't get me into the reef. Try and get it bit back on it. It's not a bad fish.
It's a good fish.
It's not a bad fish here, whānau. If this is a tāmure, it'll be a nice one. Oh, come on. Oh, once I can get him up a few metres, then I can take my time. Come on. Come on. All right, slowly starting to get a little bit back on him, whānau. This is the fish. This is the fish I've been after today, whānau. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping so. I was starting to see a bit of colour there. Come on, be that tāmure. Be the tāmure.
It's a good tāmure, bro.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's looking pretty fiddle. He's not a bad fish.
Good fish.
He's a nice fish. Oh, yeah,
Nice
boy.
fish.
Yee-hee. Oh, there you go, Cuzzy. Oh,
There you go.
yeah, boy. That's a beautiful fish. Nice eater. Going in the bin. And we're pretty much just about done. The wind's picking up. Might be home time soon.
E whakatata mai ana te huarere kino, engari kua piki ake te ngau anga ika.
Here you on, alright, bro. Hey, you might have us on a good spot there, Skip.
Me horo rawa te mahi hopu i ngā ika, I mua I te hokinga atu ki te kāinga.
Oh, we got a double hook up, brother. Penny Slayer. Kazi Mori's on the fish as well. Kingy.
Thank you, bro. Little red kingy, mate. This gear's holding up, eh? The soft bait gear's holding up real well. Little red kingy. Go back. Fight another day. Good fun, though.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, right on the bottom too. Oh, that's a little rat, I think.
We're a little rat.
Little ratty. Then your little fella. There you go. Goes he. Let's pull him out. Yep. Your kahawai is bigger than my watahinga, bro.
It's such an underrated fish, whānau. Kahawai is a beautiful eating fish. Keep these all day.
Kua te tuki pai te whainga ki te tiki kai mā te whānau, ā, ko tai te wā kia hoki atu ki uta.
All right, te whānau. Awesome day out. We didn't get as many tāmure as we would have liked, but in the end we got a kai, eh, bro?
Oh, for sure, brother. It was an awesome day, awesome morning fishing. We got some really good fish here. A couple of tāmure, watahinga, Granddaddy Hāpuka, and the old John Dory.
The Kazi Dazza's doing a bit of mahi out the back of the boat. We're making our way back in shore very shortly, so That's us for the day, whānau. The wind's picked up, the weather's about to turn really bad, so we've got to get back to shore. Nō reira, kaue ware me hoki mai anō koutou ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika, e ai ki te maramataka.
Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.